Why done-for-you property deals explode your portfolio in 30 days? Your wealth built for you in 30 days. Presented by Alan Edwards from Alpus Group. The problem: cash rich, time poor. You've built a successful career, but your money is sitting idly by while you're too busy to invest. The harder you work, the less time you have to build real wealth. Sound familiar? 60-hour work weeks leave zero time. Family commitments take priority, and losing value due to inactivity on your investments. The traditional property investment nightmare is hundreds of properties analysed just to find one viable deal. So you've got research overload, hours and hours of trolling through Rightmove and On the Market and Zoopla, endless spreadsheets, then arranging site visits, due diligence, all on your own time. And then you've got negotiation battles, battling sellers, agents, and surveyors to secure a fair price. Without expert leverage, you overpay and lose your profit before you start. And then you've got project management chaos, changing contractors, budgets, and timelines is a full-time job. As you know, property development projects can be fraught with risk and change, and sometimes it's difficult to control everything. So you need to appoint people to look after your investment. And landlord emergencies, broken boilers, tenant disputes, missed rent, all at the worst possible hour. Being a landlord means being permanently on call 365 days a year. The biggest risk is costly mistakes. DIY property investing without the right team, the right network or experience is a fast track to financial loss. Every mistake costs you not just money, but time you can never get back. Here's what trips up even high-earning professionals: overpaying for properties. Without insider access and data-driven valuation, most investors pay above market value, destroying profit margins before the deal even closes. Renovation costs spiral out of control without experienced project management. A £20,000 refurb can become easily £150,000, wiping out your returns immediately and entirely. Wrong location. Picking the wrong area means poor tenant demand, low yields, and stagnant capital growth. Career success leaves no time for the deep research location choices demand. The solution is the Alpus done-for-you system, your hands-off wealth machine. So 100% hands-off operation. We handle everything: sourcing, acquisition, renovation, and management. You invest your capital, not your time. Zero involvement required from you. Expert team builds your portfolio. We use deal sourcers, professionals who have decades of experience, networks and systems working exclusively to grow your property portfolio while you focus on your career and family. Deal finding to rent collection, identifying off-market deals to placing tenants and collecting rent. Every step is managed by our expert team on your behalf. A full-service wealth machine, a proven, repeatable system that turns your idle capital into consistent monthly income. True passive wealth generation at scale. Why use experts? If you give the example, you'd use a surgeon for surgery, you wouldn't take the cheapest necessarily. You'd want to get the highly professional surgeon who's best in his field to carry out whatever your surgery is, because your life may depend on it. In the same way, you would appoint an expert lawyer for your legal matters. So why wouldn't you appoint property experts for investment? Why tackle property investment alone? Our experts bring decades of network, data, and deal-making expertise to build your wealth. The challenge, industry standard, 60 days. Traditional property deals drag on for months, endless back and forth delays and missed opportunities. Most investors accept this as normal. We don't. The industry average is 60 days, filled with bottlenecks, slow negotiations, and poor coordination. Our targets for our system is 30 days. Our fine-tuned, done-for-you system cuts closing time in half. 3 precision steps eliminate every delay. Step 1 is deal finding engine. Step 2 is hands-off acquisition. Step 3 is automated management and income activation. The deal finding engine, always on, always winning, always on sourcing system. Our engine never sleeps. We continually scan the market 24/7. We set search bots looking for properties, identifying opportunities the moment they emerge, so you never miss a deal. Data driven analysis. Every deal is backed by rigorous data analysis. We calculate yield, growth potential, and risk, so only the best opportunities reach your desk. Off-market connections, exclusive access to off-market properties not listed publicly. Our deep network of agents, developers, and sellers gives you an unbeatable edge. Pre-vetted, high-profit assets, thousands of properties reviewed, only a handful approved. Every asset presented to you is pre-vetted for maximum returns and minimal risk. Step 2, hands-off acquisition. You don't lift a finger. Our expert team takes full control of the acquisition process, negotiating the best price, inspecting every detail, and coordinating with banks and legal teams in parallel. The result is seamless, fast close with minimal investor involvement and maximum efficiency. Expert negotiators secure best price. Professional inspectors find all issues. Parallel processing cuts time in half. Step 3, automated management and income activation. Once your property is secured, our expert team takes over completely. Professional renovations are completed to maximize tenant appeal and rental value. High quality tenants are placed through rigorous screening. Every maintenance call, lease renewal, and inspection is handled for you, delivering true passive income month after month. Professional renovations completed, high quality tenants placed, true passive income activated. Case study, David the surgeon. David works a 70-hour week as a surgeon. He's got no time for property hunting, but a burning desire to build wealth. Here's how the done-for-you system changed everything in under 30 days. Day 3, first contact. Day 5, perfect duplex found. Day 29, his first property is closed and tenant in place after day 40. And today he's got a 5-property portfolio through allocating his sourcing requirements to professionals. So we've got the 29-day timeline, days 3 to 5, initial strategy call with the Alpers team. Day 5, we've identified the first opportunity and approved by David within 48 hours. Our expert negotiators secure the best price, inspections, bank coordination, legal work handled in parallel. David focuses on his patients while the team handles everything property related. Day 29, property closes while David performs surgery. Day 30, renovation complete, high quality tenant placed, and first rent deposit coming in. True passive income activated. The blueprint for busy professionals. This is not a miracle or a shortcut. It's a proven, repeatable system engineered for professionals who have capital but not time. The done-for-you model eliminates every bottleneck between you and a growing property portfolio, so your money works while you do. It's a system. It's not a miracle. It's a fine-tuned, repeatable process. Every step is engineered to eliminate delays, reduce risk, and deliver results without requiring your time or attention. Cash losing value while you work 60 hours a week is a system problem, not a you problem. The right system converts the idle capital into active, compounding wealth automatically. Build your legacy. You do not have to pause your career, sacrifice family time, or wait for retirement. Build a lasting property legacy right now without missing a single surgery, meeting, or a work moment that matters. Your next step, if you would like, is a free portfolio strategy session. So it's 100% free. There's no pressure in this consultation. It's a custom roadmap built for your situation. 30 to 60-day property acquisition plan. Stop letting no time block your legacy. Book your free call today at calendly.com/AlanJE. You can also drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com, or you can call me on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257. Remember the 3 steps. Firstly, deal finding engine. Secondly, hands-off acquisition. Thirdly, automated management. Make your money work for you. My contact details again, calendly.com/AlanJE. Email alan@alpusgroup.com, or telephone me on 07539141257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539141257. Don't forget to like our video, comment in the comments below the video, and subscribe to our channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.